Okay, right. So question two, we are still using the given function, which is an exponential function. So they say that sketch the graph of G, label clearly all asymptotes and intercepts with x's. All right. Now let's just quickly draw the Cartesian plane. So you're gonna have a Cartesian plane like this, right? Then we're gonna see there, 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 and there, and there. Then also there, sorry, we're gonna use there as well, there as well, there, sorry, there as well, and also there, and there. I'm gonna choose here, pick there, pick there, pick there, and pick there, and also pick there. I'm sorry. There, there. Let's just extend that line a little bit. There. So we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus, 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 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus, 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 and we can put a 6 there. Sorry, and it goes further, it goes further, it goes further, and it goes further. Right, and then looking at this exponential function, it has only a horizontal asymptote, and that horizontal asymptote is when it's at -1. So I'm gonna use a lamp, but remember, for you just use a dashed line. Don't use, for that blue line that I just drew there, don't ever use a straight line like that. Use a dashed lines, because whenever you do draw your asymptotes, you gotta always use dashed lines. Okay, now remember, we found our asymptote to be at 0, 1. The y intercept, it was here, and then if we check, it was negative 0.63. Negative 0.63 is probably somewhere here around. All right, now to draw the curve, I can do this. I can just say it goes like this, then it turns and it turns, then I can see there, and I can put a something like this there. So now I can just say 0, 1. Okay, let me just use different colors for the intercepts. Let me just say 0, 1 there, and that point there, it's negative 0.63, comma, nil. Right, and then also remember this, the equation of the blue line is given as x equals to -1. Yes, and then when you draw the curve, this is accurately how it's supposed to look like. Maybe yours may be a little bit accurate than mine, but basically this is how your curve is supposed to look like approximately, or how similar yours should look like. But remember, your blue line is supposed to be a dashed line, and then that's how you can get all those 3 marks, right? So we labeled the asymptotes, which is x equals to -1, and we have also labeled our intercepts, which is 0, 1 as the y-intercept, and negative 0.63, 0 as our x-intercept.